nti tuli bakomi ba mirembe era tugenda maaso nga tukuuma eddembe naye nga tetukkiriza kunyigibwa mu ttooke nga tweyagalira mu ddembe lyaffe lituweebwa ssemateeka nga tukola bye tulina okukola kuba buli kye tukola kiri mu mateeka. Maybe I should say this in English as well, that even with the efforts of Museveni's Prime Minister Nabanja to block our people from coming to listen to our revolutionary message of change, people went ahead to defy her illegal and senseless orders. She even went as far as landing a police helicopter in the field where we were supposed to address people and intimidate people, tase them with electro, tasers. We were able to overrun all that, of course, non-violently, and we thank the people of Bunyoro. Today, we head out of Bunyoro after Bulisa and Masindi. Thank you very much. With me, I'm with our candidates for the region. Maybe if you would like to ask questions either to me or to them, I'll take 2 or 3 questions before we proceed out. Thank you.